Hey, immigration attorney Mario Godoy here. Just got out of an interview, and so I thought I'd share some of the real questions being asked by officers today. So today the questions were, how did you meet? And so getting specific regarding that. So like a lot of folks today amongst different clients are meeting on dating apps. So which app? When did you meet? Where were you at the time? How did that first date go? How did you start the relationship? What did you guys do for your first date? When did you start dating then officially? When did you decide to propose? How did you propose? Who proposed to who? When did you propose? Then asking questions about the wedding, right? When did you get married? Who was there? When was it? What did you do to celebrate it? And then there's often questions regarding family members and asking, whether they've met friends, whether they've met family, both spouses. And so these are all questions really going to proving that the relationship is real, that you're presenting yourself to be married to the world. And that's really the first part of every immigration spouse interview, is going to be to prove that first part of the immigrant visa application before we switch over and start talking about whether someone's eligible to adjust their status here in the United States to being a green card holder. So those are some real questions from an actual interview that I just attended, and they're very similar to the questions that I get from other interviews. If you are thinking about applying for an immigrant visa for your spouse, these are kinds of cases we do all the time. And, you don't want to necessarily do this by yourself, because you want to make sure that you have an attorney there to help guide you during the interview, to make sure that the questions don't get outrageous, so that, you're not scared of being alone with an officer. If this is your first time going through it versus we've been doing this for 15 years that the firm's been around, we've gone through it numerous times, and we can tell the questions that are coming up. And we like to prepare our clients before their interview so that their interview goes well, because that's one of the most important things that you can do. Okay, give us a call.